So SHAPE is the Supreme Headquarters of the Allied Powers Europe. It's a NATO military headquarters, so there's 29 countries on SHAPE, and this school complex services all of SHAPE. Not all of the countries are representative, but the major components are. The two schools that we built for this project are the UK, Canada, and the Germany buildings. It was different than any project I've worked on before because the end users were from different nations, so it took a lot of coordination, and they all had different requirements, so we had to be able to meld those requirements together into one building with the UK, Canada, and also meet different requirements for Germany. So it was a challenge in doing that, but it was also interesting for me to learn all of the new requirements, including incorporating all Belgian requirements in all of the buildings as well.
This was a great project for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and it contributes to not only U.S. national security, but also the mission of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, and the Supreme Headquarters, Allied Powers Europe. The idea for this school, and one of the early champions of this school, was General Craddock, the Supreme Allied Commander Europe, an American officer who said that education was a key enabler for the SHAPE headquarters, and those were highlighted in today's remarks and in today's ribbon cutting ceremony. And so this was a project that not only increases the learning and the education for the kids, but also starts to teach them about international partnerships. It makes kids worldly at an earlier age and gives them opportunities that they might not have elsewhere.